Hello everyone, I am Said and welcome back. In this video, we will solve a few more challenging integral problems together. Let's get started. Number 1, the integral of 1 minus 1 over x squared dx from 1 to 2. First expand the square, means 1 minus 1 over x whole squared equals 1 minus 2 over x plus 1 over x squared, right? So the integral becomes 1 minus 2 over x plus 1 over x squared dx. So we have, as you know, the integral of 1 dx is x, and the integral of 2 dx over x equals to ln of the absolute value of x, right? And the integral of dx over x squared, if we use the power rule, we have the integral of x to the power of negative 2 dx, or the integral of x to the power of negative 2 dx is 1 over negative 2 plus 1 x to the power of negative 2 plus 1 equals 1 over negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1, and x to the power of negative 2 plus 1 is 1 over x, means negative 1 over x. So the answer is x minus 2 ln of the absolute value of x minus 1 over x. X minus 2 ln of the absolute value of x minus 1 over x, right? From 1 to 2. 1 to 2. When x equals 2, we have 2 minus 2 ln of 2, 2 ln of 2 minus 1 half, right? Minus, when x equals 1, we have 1 minus 2 ln of 1. We know that ln of 1 is 0. So 1 minus 1 is 0, right? So final answer is 2 minus 1 half is 3 over 2 minus 2 ln of 2, or 3 over 2 minus ln of 2 squared, or ln of 4. Number 2, the integral of sine of x times the square root of 1 minus sine squared x dx from 0 to pi. As you know, 1 minus sine squared x equals cosine squared x, right? So the integral becomes 0 to pi sine of x times the absolute value of cosine of x, because the square root of cosine squared x is the absolute value of cosine of x dx. Notice that cosine of x changes sign at x equals pi over 2. For this reason, we split the integral into two parts. We have the integral of 0 to pi over 2 plus the integral of pi over 2 to pi. So when x is between 0 to pi over 2, the sign of cosine of x is positive. So the integral becomes sine of x times cosine of x dx, and when x is between pi over 2 to pi, the sign of cosine is negative. So negative sine of x times cosine of x dx, right? So we have, as you know, sine of x times cosine of x equals 1/2 sine of 2x, right? So we have the integral of 0 to pi over 2, 1/2 sine of 2x dx negative the integral of 1/2 sine of 2x dx from pi over 2 to pi, right? And we have 1/2 the integral of sine of 2x equals negative 1/2 cosine of 2x 0 to pi over 2 minus 1/2 the integral of sine of 2x is negative 1/2 cosine of 2x from pi over 2 to pi. So 1/2 times negative 1/2 is negative 1 over 4 times cosine of 2 times pi over 2. 2 times pi over 2 is pi. So cosine of pi is negative 1 minus cosine of 0 is 1 minus 1/2 times negative 1/2 is negative 1 over 4 times cosine of 2 pi is 1 minus cosine of 2 times pi over 2. 2 times pi over 2 is pi. So cosine of pi is negative 1, right? So the final answer is negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. So negative 1 over 4 times negative 2 is positive 1/2 minus 1 plus 1 is positive 2. So negative 1 over 4 times 2 is negative 1/2. So we have 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1.